unified visibility. So I look at visibility, in two camps, and we were in one of the camps earlier. So the first camp is there are companies like Shipio, Four Kites, Project 44, and many others, whose view is visibility of the transportation carrier. So if I can monitor a vessel on which your shipment is, if I can monitor the flight on which your shipment is, if I can monitor the truck on which your shipment is, I would be able to tell you where your product is. And while there are use cases where this is good enough to track the transportation carrier, a lot of our customers are of the opinion that who cares where the transporter is? We care about the shipment inside the carrier and its condition and its movement. There is a second camp, which is a camp of Sensitech, Thrive, Sendum, OnAsset, and there are many other companies in that category who deliver a supply chain specific tracker to track those shipments. I call the first bucket of the Four Kites of the world and the P44s of the world to be the sensorless visibility platform bucket. And then the second bucket, where you have the hardware tracker companies, I call them the sensor-based supply chain tracking platform companies. We at Roambee think both of them solve a specific problem. But when we go to our customers are demanding that Roambee monitor and manage all goods in their ecosystem, the raw material, the finished products, not only going from warehouse to warehouses, but also going from warehouses to stores, to their customers. So when you start thinking about monitoring all shipments holistically, we believe we are creating a new category called unified visibility. And unified visibility is a combination of lanes where you need single journey labels like the ones I have in my hand. There are lanes where our customers are shipping to their own facilities that they own and control, and hence you could recover these devices very quickly and reuse them, reducing the total cost of ownership. And then there are some lanes where you need a P44 like service. But if you bring it all together, and each of them are playing on its own strength, then the quality of unified visibility becomes much better, and the blended cost per shipment from a total cost of ownership perspective is much lower, empowering the customer to deploy the visibility solution across the board. And since our release of the unified visibility platform, which not only brings sensor data, but also third-party sensorless data together, and the fact that the sensor can correct the sensorless data in real time and recalibrate the context of this data from a visibility perspective, our data quality and data fidelity when it comes to visibility is much higher than anybody else in the market.